Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired June 22nd, 2026. The topic of that episode was Fear and Faith as Obstructions. Swami, your insights.
Both fear and conventional faith keep the mind distracted, forming concepts, rather than empower it to rise into the absolute omnipresence of direct experiential knowing.
Looking to realize absolute goodness? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam